friends, welcome to the Wednesday show. As we said on Sunday, today we're going to show you the finishing of the project that we built last Sunday, which is a rustic beach theme holder. Has little two cells, and then on the bottom we're going to put some hooks to hold towels. Did I forget anything?
No.
If it is your first time in the channel, welcome. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. We are happy that you are here with us, so follow along. So we're starting the preparation for finishing the piece by removing all of our marks that we had to make during construction. And this is boring, so we're not going to show you the whole thing, but we'll get back to you when we continue after we have sanded to our satisfaction. Let me start from... You want me to do the one in the middle? So the hand sander did a very fast, a quick job, not fast job, right? Mm-hmm. And everything now is mark free, and we are ready to start the whitewash. Mm-hmm.
Why is there supposed to be a GPS?
The camera has a built-in GPS, so it can geotag videos and pictures. So what are you aiming there? Consistency that it is uniform, right?
Yeah. Watery.
Huh?
Watery, I presume.
That's why I don't think we'll need to use a cloth, but let's see. There it goes. I think that's quite whitewashy, no? That's actually nice. It allows you to see a little bit underneath, right?
Yeah, that's the idea, is that you get a little bit of the color, but you still see the...
So this is our process. We're going to follow this process for the whole piece, and we'll get back to you if we discover something we need to do different or when we're done. So you see our progress here. We think it is going very well, and I'm going to kind of zoom in to see. You can see, unlike paint, whitewashing is exactly how the name implies. It allows you to see a color through the wood, but it does not really cover the wood. It's almost like a white stain, no?
Almost.
But so far we are pleased with how it looks. It doesn't take away the character of the wood. That's what I like. And then because the wood will have different porous material like stain, as it dries it will absorb differently. Mm-hmm. And it will create a very unique appearance. So we just wanted to show you, we're midway through the project at this moment, and we wanted to show you how it went. You can see here very clearly how the whitewash allows the vein of the wood to show. So we'll get back with you when we are done. So this has dried to the touch now, but we decided we want it a little wider. So we are going to apply a second coat, and that will be the final finish. But yeah, it is totally dry to the touch. And then we're going to put the hooks and put it on the wall.
It separates really fast.
Yeah, I know. It looked like spoiled milk.
Yep.
So the process is the same. It's just as you see, it makes it a little bit more white. That was brilliant narration, wasn't it?
Yes.
We are going for an Emmy for sure after this. Right? Okay, we'll show it to you when we are done, but you can see the contrast here. This is the first coat dried, and this is the second coat, and it's not dried yet, so we'll show you when it is dried. So it is now dried. This is the final look of the board, and we are satisfied with this, and we will put on the bottom 4 hooks, that each hook has 2 legs, I don't know.
They're hooks. These are robe hooks, and they each have 2 arms, and they're in the brush nickel type.
Why are there arms versus legs?
I don't know.
Well,
Maybe they're tentacles because they kind of look like an octopus, but without.
That's brilliant. I don't know.
But without the other 6, they're only missing 6, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we'll do. We'll start placing these, and then I'm gonna come back on the last one, and
Yeah. I
or
will
just
show
when
the.
we're finished.
Well, actually, we'll show it on the wall. We'll go and put it on the wall.
Okay. All right.
All right. So is it straight? I can undo it a little bit.
It needs to be undone a little bit. Okay. Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah.
All right. All right. We don't need to do that.
So we placed our first hook on there, decided to get a straight line, something, and I found the level. It just so happens that that was the exact space, which makes it really easy for us to line up the rest of our hooks as we go across our shelf. So find something like that that's going to help you space it and help you keep them even as you go across and attach these.
All right, friends, this is the finished product, and as you can see, we used the level when we attached it. Because it's so uneven, it's very hard to make sure that it is straight to the hole because you don't have a reference point, right? So we use the level, and you can see it is level, and we did a good job with the 2 shelves.
2 shelves, yeah.
So we're good there. All right. All right, folks, and here we are. You get an idea of how this can be used. We are very pleased with the outcome, and I hope you did enjoy this Wednesday episode and come back for more. We appreciate your support throughout last year, and we hope to continue growing the same way we grew last year. Thank you for watching this episode, and let us know what you think of the project. Share, click the like button if you like this project. Subscribe and let us know what projects you want us to build for you. From Yanni and Elpida, we are going to see you on Sunday with another build. Have a great week.